Hello, today I'm going to be making a cookie that needs very little introduction. It's called a thumbprint cookie, and yeah, kind of fun to make. They're like shortbread. To make these, you need 1 stick of room temperature butter, 1/4 cup each of white sugar and brown sugar, this being firmly packed, 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cup of regular flour, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Start with softened butter and sugars. Scrape the sides of the mixer and then start adding in your powders. Add vanilla and egg yolk. Begin stirring in flour. About half. The other half. Check to see how the dough is. Gather the dough into a ball. Place it in either a plastic bag or a piece of cling wrap into the refrigerator for about half an hour to an hour. And a few of these are going to be strawberry.